The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Carson County until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles northwest of Panhandle, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees is possible. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Excuse me? Did Amarillo go down? You've got to be kidding me. Come on, Amarillo. Yep, it went down. It went down.
Do not drive your vehicle
Oh, there it
through
goes.
flooded roadways.
That's weird.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Carson, Texas.
There it goes. What was that?
A strong thunderstorm will impact northwestern Carson, southwestern
WXK38 had a stroke.
counties through 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
That was weird, bro.